Figma Logo Design. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your browser and type in figma.com in the search bar. Once the website loads, log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one first. After logging in, you will be directed to the Figma homepage. Look at the left sidebar and click on the All Projects section. When your project appears in the list, click on it to open. Inside the project, locate the Create button and click it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Design option to start designing. Begin your design by creating a logo. You can start by adding a circle or any shape you prefer. Once the shape is added, you can customize it. Adjust the color of the shape you've just created to make it look more visually appealing. Use the color panel to choose a color that fits your design. After you are satisfied with your logo design, move on to adding text. Select the text tool and type your name or any other word or phrase you want to include in the design. Place the text near or around your logo to complete the basic layout.